we're going to do a different version of the Monster Alphabet game. So we have our Monster little tin that we made in a previous video. I took a formula can and I just covered it with paper and stickers and cut a hole. And I have index cards of lowercase letters, and we're going to do the sounds of the lowercase letters this time. And as she says the sounds, the monster is going to eat the letter. So if you're not familiar with this game, you can look at the Monster Alphabet game in a previous video, and it kind of goes a little bit more in depth. But we're just doing, instead of naming the letter and identifying the letter by its name, we're saying the sound that it makes. Okay? All right, you ready?
Y.
What sound is it? What sound does it say? Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Can I put it in?
Mm-hmm.
J.
What does it say?
J.
What does it say?
I don't know which one is it.
That's G. It says G.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in. W. Whoa.
C says says
I want to put it in. H.
says X says
You can put it in.
oh, thank you. R says E says That one's a hard one. I says L says Q says A says
Put it there.
S says U says Z says Z. T says
Put it there.
D says
Do.
This one's A. B says
Boo.
F says
I can't say anything.
V says M says
I can't say anything.
and I guess this is a P. P says P. Very good.
There.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us. And remember, you can do that by identifying the letter if you haven't already done so, or you can go back and do the uppercase letters with them, but we just did lowercase today. So thanks for coming.